Exosomes in Korea and globally are super popular right now, especially in the medical and cosmetics fields. Some people swear by their effectiveness, while others say they don't see any noticeable effects. Although exosomes can be effective, there are some areas that are difficult to address with exosomes alone. Most people don't see dramatic results, especially when it comes to anti-aging or skin regeneration. As an expert in skin regeneration, CIESKIN has conducted studies on this topic. Exosomes are like cargo, carrying growth factors that promote cell turnover. Exosomes are small carrier vesicles containing bioactive proteins, growth factors, and nucleic acids. The source of the exosomes and other ingredients used in the formulation plays a significant role in the effectiveness of exosome-based products. CIESKIN's research team developed an optimal use of exosomes by combining them with synergistic ingredients, and thus SARGA Exosome Booster was born. What is SARGA Exosome Booster? SARGA Exosome Booster is a cosmeceutical product that addresses pigmentation issues while boosting skin immunity, rejuvenation, and cell recovery. With growth factors and antioxidants, SARGA Exosome Booster rejuvenates skin at the dermal level. Especially when used with lasers and MTS stamps, it targets hyperpigmentation beneath the melanin layer and penetrates deep into the dermis. It repairs pigmented cells, boosts immunity, and rejuvenates the skin for a healthier, more youthful appearance. What makes SARGA Exosome Booster unique? As mentioned earlier, the source of the exosomes, their extraction method, and how they're absorbed are crucial to seeing results from the product. CIESKIN uses Panax ginseng exosomes, combining them with various key growth factors, essential peptides, amino acids, and natural extracts. Panax ginseng exosomes are known for their strong anti-aging properties. They are rich in ginsenosides and other bioactive compounds which help stimulate collagen production, improve skin elasticity, reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, treat pigmentation, and boost skin immunity. They promote regeneration and repair, making them especially effective in fighting signs of aging. SARGA Exosome Booster also contains essential growth factors such as EGF, IGF, FGF, PDGF, and unique growth factors like SCF and SOD. Additionally, it includes sargassum and other plant-based extracts for a comprehensive skin treatment in one product. Our recombinant technology, combined with an advanced extraction method, enables safe and efficient absorption into the skin. Why do people love SARGA Exosome Booster? First, people love the results. SARGA Exosome Booster consistently delivers exceptional outcomes, earning global trust from professionals. Ease of use. You can apply it with lasers, post-treatments, MTS devices, and even with hand massages. It delivers even more stunning results when used with the CIESKIN MTS device. With 24 years of R&D and manufacturing experience, CIESKIN is unrivaled in biotechnology, extraction, and recombination technologies. Not only do buyers love it, but CIESKIN's achievements and patents make it officially unmatched. How to use SARGA Exosome Booster. Aesthetic use with lasers. Apply SARGA Exosome Booster once or twice a week with laser treatments like ND-YAG, RF, or ion therapy. Clinic and hospital use. SARGA Exosome Booster is a non-injectable product, recommended for use after surgeries or clinical treatments to rejuvenate the treated area. Spa and beauty salon use. CIESKIN offers a full cosmetic product line along with a hand therapy education system. You can incorporate the full CIESKIN line with hand massage therapy in 1 or 2 weekly sessions. Home care use. After cleansing, apply SARGA Exosome Booster at home. For deeper penetration and enhanced results, it's recommended to use the CIESKIN MTS device. Now is your chance to collaborate with us and bring beauty to the world. CIESKIN.